Hi, this is Janice. This is day 10 video of 100 Days of Code as I'm learning the Python programming language. This video is to track my progress and hold myself accountable. So in this video, we're going to briefly go over logical operators, which are also referred to as Boolean operators. In a previous video, I went over data types, one of which is the Boolean. And the reason being is because it returns a value of either true or false. And so that is why we refer to logical operator as also the Boolean operator, because it returns either a true or a false value. So I'm going to start by assigning two variables. We'll say we're looking through some threats. And so we'll give our first variable a value of true if it's flagged suspicious. And we'll give our second variable a value of 5 hits if it gets 5 hits in threat intel feeds. So working first with the AND operator. So we're going to say that this alert is flagged true and the number of hits is equal to 5. So this will return true. So let's go ahead and execute it. And the reason being is because when you're using your AND, both conditions need to be met in order for it to be true. So because that is correct in this instance, it returns true. Now, if I change that, and let's say that the hits was, let's say it's less than 2, it returns false because both of these do not meet the conditions. Yes, it's flagged as being suspicious. We have a true here, but it has less than 2 hits. And because of that, it returns false. Okay, so let's work with our OR operator. And in that instance, either condition can be true for it to be true. So they both don't have to be. So let's go ahead and execute this. And you'll see that it's true. Why? Because it's flagged true as suspicious. And because it is, it already meets the condition and it doesn't have to meet this one here. Okay. If we wanted to change that around, let's say it's not flagged true, but it has 5 hits, then it'll still return true. Okay. And then also when you're working with operators, you have the not operator. So we're going to say not. And what this does is it reverses a condition. So if it's false, it becomes true. And if it's true, it becomes false. So let's say that it's not flagged as being true. So we know that the true is equal to true. But because it's not, this is going to actually return a false. Okay. And then let's see if we put false here. So we know that true is not equal to false. And so this would be a false statement, but because it's using the not operator, it'll reverse it and you'll see that it's true. So that's a little bit about working with logical operators, also referred to as Boolean operators.